Volume and total surface area. Introduction of total surface area and volume. Volumes and surface areas. Wherever we look, usually we see solids. So far, in all our study, we have been dealing with the figures that can be easily drawn in our notebooks or blackboards. These are called plane figures. We have understood what rectangles, squares, and circles are, what we mean by their perimeters and areas, and how can we find them. We have learned these in the earlier classes. Surface area of a cylinder. This is a right circular cylinder whose top and bottom is open. The radius of cylinder is r and height is h. This is a curved surface area of a cylinder. Let us find its curved surface area. If we cut this cylinder vertically straight, we get a sheet of rectangular shape whose length is L and height is h. The area of the sheet gives us the curved surface area of the cylinder. The length of the sheet is equal to the circumference of the circular base, which is equal to 2 pi r. So, curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to area of the rectangular sheet, that is equal to length into breadth. Length is the circumference of the base of the cylinder and breadth is h. Therefore, 2 pi r into h. We get curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. If we want to close the top and bottom, we need two circular discs of radius r. The area of each circular disc will be pi r square. The total surface area of this closed cylinder will be 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square is equal to 2 pi r bracket r plus h. Total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r bracket r plus h. Total surface area of a cone. This is a circular cone of height h and radius r. The circumference of the circular base of the cone is 2 pi r. Here, the base is opened. The slant height of this cone is L. Note that the height of the cone and slant height of a cone are different. Let us cut the cone vertically straight up to the tip of the cone and straight it. The cone looks like the shape shown. L will be the radius of this circular shape. Now, if we cut this circular shape into number of triangular shapes such that its base may be straight line, area of each triangle will be half into base into height. Let B1, B2, B3 and so on are the heights of respective number of triangles, and L will be the length of sides of the triangles. Therefore, the area of respective triangles will be 1 by 2 multiplied by B1 multiplied by L and so on, half multiplied by B2 multiplied by L and so on. The sum of area of all the triangles is the area of this circular shape, which is also a curved surface area of the cone. We can simplify this sum as where the sum of B1, B2, B3 and so on is the length of this entire curved boundary. But the curved boundary of this shape is the circumference of the circular base of the cone. Therefore, curved surface area of a cone is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by L multiplied by 2 pi r. 2 cancels each other and we get the curved surface area of the cone is equal to pi r L. If we consider the radius, height and slant height of the cone, we get a right angled triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we can get L is equal to square root r square plus h square. Now to close the base of the cone, a circular piece of paper of radius r is also required, whose area is pi r square. So, total surface area of a cone is equal to pi r L plus pi r square. We can take pi r common, and hence result is pi r bracket L plus r. Volume of a cone. Take a cylinder and a cone of same height and radius. Divide the cylinder vertically into 3 equal parts and mark. Now fill cone completely with water and then pour water into the cylinder. You will find that only one part of the cylinder is filled with water. It means volume of water in the cylinder is 1/3 of total volume of the cylinder. Pi r square h is the total volume of the cylinder, and the volume of water in the cylinder will be 1/3 pi r square h, which is also a total volume of the cone. Therefore, total volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Let us take an example. The radius and height of a cylinder are 14 cm and 12 cm respectively. Find the curved surface area and the total surface area, given pi is equal to 22/7. Solution. We have given the radius is equal to 14 cm, height is equal to 12 cm, and pi is equal to 22/7. We have to find out the curved surface area and total surface area of the cylinder. First of all, we find the curved surface area. Curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. By putting the values of radius and height, we get the curved surface area of the cylinder is
1056 square centimeter.
Now we can find the value of total surface area. We have the total surface area is equal to 2 pi r bracket r plus h. By putting the value of radius and height, we get the total surface area of the cylinder is 2288 square centimeters. Summary. In this subtopic, we have learned curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. Total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r bracket r plus h. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Total surface area of a cone is equal to pi r bracket L plus r. Curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi r L. Volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. That is all in this subtopic, students. We will learn total surface area and volume of a sphere in our next topic.